شكرا لك سلطان. يعود معي توني. ماذا نستطيع القول؟ هارد لك أو نقطة جيدة هذا اليوم؟
There's a lot I want to say. Fair play to them. They defended well. I didn't think we created enough chances, but I think the very big talking point was the two penalties. It's clear as day. I don't know what more you want him to do. If he picked the ball up with two hands, you're gonna give penalty then or not? But I think when we try to talk to the referee, and then he just tell us to focus on the AFC. How can the referee say this? We're talking about now. He say focus on the AFC. But I mean, if you want me to go deeper, I can go deeper, but it might get me in trouble. But I'm a man that says it how it is, and I think it's clear talking points which the referee, his mind's elsewhere.
الحكم قال هذا الكلام؟ الحكم الرابع بعد المباراة قال هذا النص؟
During the checking this, he said just focus on the AFC.
اللحظة اللي كنا نطالب إنه يشيك ويرجع للفار وشيك.
He said his earpiece is recording, so I hope he picked this up. But maybe it switch off at that point. I don't know. Maybe.
هل تتوقع أنكم ظلمتوا هذا اليوم من الحكم؟
Clear wasn't fair. I mean,
بطبيعة الحال.
you see this. There's two penalties. For me, the first one clear penalty. Everyone see this. In a unnatural position, it's a penalty. Throughout the season, clear penalty. But now we get to close crunch time, they change it. I don't know why.
سؤالي الأخير: لمصلحة من يظلم الأهلي من الحكم؟ لمصلحة من يظلم الأهلي من الحكم؟ إذا قلت أننا مظلومين هذا اليوم.
Why are you angry?
لا أنا هذا طبيعتي متحمس. لا هذا أنا بالعكس دائما زي كذا.
We know who are we chasing.
هل الأندية الأخرى يعني تظلمكم من طريق الحكم؟
Listen, at the end of the day, we win and we lose together, and we lose gracefully. We don't get too low with the lows and we don't get too high with the highs, but we move on, we do what we can do, and hopefully we get some decisions and some fair ones and the right ones.
سؤالي الأخير سوري معلش توني، هل ما زال للأهلي أمل في الدوري؟
Of course, if we have good referees and we play how we normally play and decisions go our way, we have a good chance. But when it's like this, it's always going to be tough. But we can just concentrate on ourselves and who knows what.
دائما نقابله وهو سعيد، وكنا نفرح معه في حال فوز الأهلي. اليوم ممكن كانت السلة مشدودة لأنه هو مشدود، فلا أنا بالعكس.
I'm never nervous. I lose happy and I win happy. You know, same. No problem. It's within here.
نحب ابتسامته ترى.